back to that moment when Sthanda Semphiwe was taken out of the house. Take us through that moment. What you were going through. Take us through the emotions that you were feeling and going through at that time.
Ngizofuna ngikhale la kwi-TV futhi okwesibili. Kubuhlungu phela kodwa ukuthi uhambile ngizawuphinde ngimbone ngaphandle kodwa kwakubuhlungu vele phela. Omusha uyithwa into nayo uthi wake awuthi sekumonco kwamanje kodwa uzokuyibona so kwakufana naleyo nto. Kubuhlungu ukubona kubuhlungu kuvalelisa kahle hle. Yeah.
And are you looking forward to seeing her and continuing with the relationship?
We'll talk. Me and her.
Still on that, before we end, ngilobongela umuntu ngaphandle.
Hayi, umthathapi.
So akunamuntu okukwatele manje.
Ukwatele bani ngani kabani.
Make sure. And now that you were in third year doing third year CPUT, are you going to continue with your studies as well? With the money, do you think there are any plans that you have for it? Or Mongena? Did you have the plans and now they've changed? Take us through that.
La ngikhuluma indlebe ngokuhlebele futhi. Kahle hle angisifuni isikole lesambe. Uyayizwa manje leyo nto. Kodwa ngoba sengiphakathi angisale sengiqedela phela uyabona. Kodwa inhloso yami into engenzela ukuthi ngize ngiye esikoleni phela ukuthi ngoba kumele ngiyofunda kodwa umthetho wami ngifuna vele ungena kuyindaba. Yabo ngangifuna imbobo yokuthi okay kuyangeneka kanti ngenhlaka nangu Big Brother baby ngethuba ngase ngidayi ngezandla zombili.
Bandla sho uSwedguluva yasho ukuthi makalaphana ku Big Brother ngena. He was single gesana and uwabeki wacaca ama intentions akhe na Ashley washo nje ukuthi yamthanda and the relationship yabo itoqhubeka even outside of the Big Brother Mzansi, the Big Brother Mzansi house gesana siyabathenza ke Ashley and uSwedguluva bayikhapula nje lefanele nako sibafisela njena lokuhle kodwa ngo relationship yabo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.